It's Mrs. Monkey's birthday, and we're headed out on an adventure up the Lost Creek Forest Service Road in search of some rarely found geocaches and big views. So stick around to see what went wrong and how we made it all fun. Our adventure started on the bumpy drive towards Kenyon Lake, but we were still a kilometer or more away when things took an unexpected turn.
Well, that is the end of the road for our Jeep. We are going on foot from here. I guess change of plans, Mrs. Monkey.
So we hiked on foot to the Kenyon Lake wreck site. Once there, we checked out the shelter maintained by the BC Four-Wheel Club and made the geocache find. Then it was back on foot to our next destination, the Stave Lake Viewpoint Geocache.
Now we got about 500 meters to go to the end point and hopefully the viewpoint, so we'll see what we can see when we get there. Well, even if we had managed to get the Jeep up to this point, I think this would pretty much be the end of the road. There's been a big rock slide and you're not getting around that. Not in four wheels anyways.
Just past the rock slide, the silly birthday monkey found the geocache, and it was then time to check out the views we'd earned. A rarely spotted view of the north end of Stave Lake. Vibrant, vast vistas viewed, we found fast footholds daringly darting over the debris, and we took the trail towards the topography where we had to leave the Jeep, but not before meeting a local resident of these trails.
Well, Mrs. Monkey, how's your birthday going?
Fine.
Not exactly the hike we had planned?
No,
No, but making the most of it. What did you think of that view at the end there?
it's very pretty.
It was. It's pretty color in the lake, eh?
Yes, yes,
All right. So was it worth the hike out?
yes.
And how was the hike?
Not too bad. Has some uphill, but not too steep. So, not hard on the knees anyways.
Would we have gotten the Jeep up here?
No. Even if you wanted to. Yes, they have disabled the road.
And it's probably for the best because that bridge didn't look too safe.
Yeah. Since they did put a sign that, like 0,000 tons can cross. Other than that, this part obviously is a little more bushy than the main FSR, but
Yeah.
if you want to walk it, I think the first good chunk of the FSR is almost flat, and then just a slow uphill.
Mrs. Monkey,
Yeah.
do you want to reconsider your opinion about the trail back?
I had my head down. Maybe it's a little steeper than what I thought when I first said it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not terrible, but
No.
it's a little longer and a little steeper than we remembered. That's all right. We're almost back.
We're almost back.
We made our way back down to where we had left the Jeep, but we had one more destination, and this one would be a doozy. We carefully picked our path down and then back up out of the old creek bed on our way to Salsbury Lake and Mrs. Monkey's surprise birthday celebration. Okay, cue the epic birthday scenes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you dirty mountain monkey. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah? You got chocolate?
Oh, with peanut butter.
Are those two of your favorite things?
Yes. It almost looks like you spelled my name wrong. Were you in a hurry?
I was in a bit of a hurry.
We don't know where our journey's going to take us because it never ends up where we think it's going to be. That is funny.
And while this journey had some unexpected detours, twists, and turns, what did we leave this trip with? A few geocache finds for sure, but more importantly, we remembered that with patience, a plan B, and a sense of both humor and adventure, there's always another awesome adventure awaiting. We sure see those traits in our patron family. If you think you'd like to be part of our patron family, visit patreon.com/LANMonkey or landmonkey.ca. And until then, cache safely and cache often.